If you're a landlord or property manager in South Dakota, here's something important. South Dakota is one of the more landlord-friendly states in the country when it comes to habitability laws. But that doesn't mean you're off the hook. South Dakota codifies landlord obligations under South Dakota Codified Laws, Chapter 43-32. Under this statute, landlords are required to maintain the property in a fit and habitable condition, comply with building and housing codes that affect health and safety, keep common areas clean and safe, and maintain electrical, plumbing, heating, and ventilation systems in good working order. Now here's where South Dakota gets interesting. The state does allow tenants and landlords to agree in writing that the tenant will handle certain repairs or maintenance. That kind of flexibility isn't available everywhere, so it's a real advantage for South Dakota landlords. But the agreement has to be made in good faith and can't be used to get around basic safety requirements. If a landlord fails to meet habitability standards, tenants can provide written notice and allow a reasonable time for repairs. If the issue isn't resolved, tenants may pursue remedies, including lease termination. South Dakota's climate also matters here. Harsh winters mean your heating systems and insulation need to be in solid shape, or you could face complaints quickly. For a detailed guide on South Dakota habitability laws, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com and subscribe for more state-by-state landlord guides.